ग्राहक साथी 15th June 2024 Volume 4 Number 49. Buy and consume Amras with caution. Is it safe to buy Amras? The mango season is going on and most people consume Amras every day. It is made from pulp or puree of ripe mangoes with sugar usually added to sweeten it. Ready to eat Amras is sold in mithai shops, dairies, temporary seasonal shops, etc. in loose or packaged form. Due to high summer temperatures and improper storage, hygiene while making, storing and handling is of utmost importance to prevent spoilage and ensure safety of Amras. With the extremely high temperatures, the risk of spoilage increases. However, it is a very popular food item and it's widely bought by all sections of society. Considering the popularity and high consumption of Amras in this season, we decided to taste some sample to know what they contain and if they are safe to consume. We tested different sample of branded package Amras as well as of Amras sold loose in local shops in various areas of Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. We tested a total of 8 branded and loose sample of Amras for the following parameters. Sugar content, total sugar and added sugar. Microbiological parameters, presence of Salmonella and E. coli, presence of Saccharina, added synthetic food color. Why are these taste parameters significant? Sugar content. Fruits contain natural sugar which if consumed in moderation can be part of a healthy diet. However, too much added sugar can cause health problems like high blood pressure, inflammation, weight gain, diabetes, heart ailments and fatty liver disease. Salmonella. An infection with Salmonella bacteria causes diarrhea, fever and stomach pain. You can get it by consuming contaminated food. E. coli. E. coli infection also caused by contaminated food can lead to stomach cramps, bloody diarrhea and vomiting. Saccharina. Saccharina is a synthetic sweetener that is commonly used as a sugar substitute in various foods and beverages, especially in products marketed as sugar-free or diet options. It can cause gastrointestinal discomfort and allergic reactions. Artificial sweeteners are added to Amras when the pulp lacks natural sweetness. Many of these are known carcinogens. Added synthetic food colors. Tartrazine and sunset yellow FCF, which are most commonly added to Amras, are linked to adverse health effects like allergies among asthmatics, hyperactivity, stomach upset and skin swelling. What does the Amras you buy contain? We tested 8 samples of branded and loose Amras for total sugar, added sugar, bacterial count, Salmonella and E. coli, saccharine and added color. Findings from Amras testing are given below. Total sugar. All 8 samples tested had total sugar content ranging from in 100 gram 8.25 gram to 16.34 gram. The highest total sugar was found in a branded Amras sample. A loose Amras sample had the lowest total sugar. Total sugar found in the branded Amras sample was comparatively more than in the loose sample. The daily recommended requirement for sugar for sedentary to moderately active lifestyles in 20 gram to 30 gram per day. Hence, portion control while eating Amras is required if you want to keep your total sugar intake in check to prevent adverse impact on health. added sugar. One sample and almost no added sugar. However, the other 7 sample contain added sugar in the range of in 100 gram 2.34 gram to 5.99 gram. Added synthetic colors. All 8 samples of Amras did not have any added colors. Bacterial count, Salmonella and E. coli. None of the samples showed presence of Salmonella and E. coli, hence all samples conform to FSSAI prescribed standards for this parameter. Labeling information. Only 1 out of all 8 Amras sample had given proper and required labeling information, including ingredient and nutritional information. All the other 7 samples did not give any required labeling information. In the absence of any labeling information, there is no way of knowing what the content, ingredient of the product are. When manufacturing packaging date and best before date are not displayed on label, it is not possible to know if the food product is safe to eat or is expired or old. ગ્રાહક સાથી recommendation. It is advisable to make Amras at home to ensure that you are consuming safe and hygienically prepared Amras of good quality. You can also avoid adding extra sugar. Store bought perishable food product like Amras can often be contaminated and cause serious illness. They can also be high in sugar. It is also recommended to avoid buying food product without essential label information like ingredients best before date and nutritional information, as you cannot make an informed choice. Tips for buying Amras. Grahak Sathi brings to you a simple guide which you can use when buying ready to eat Amras. However, it is best to prepare Amras at home. Always purchase Amras which has good packaging from a reputed shop or brand. Buy from a popular shop to ensure freshness and quality. When buying packaged Amras, check for all labeling information on the pack like MRP, packet date, best before date, batch number, manufacturing addresses, etc. Refrain from buying Amras which does not give important label information. If the best before date shows a long shelf life, it indicates that it has preservations. Avoid such a brand. If the label does not give nutrition information, you will not know the sugar content. Such products should be avoided. Check the ingredient list for the presence of saccharine or any other artificial sweeteners. Avoid buying loose Amras. If you buy loose Amras, check for its consistency. If it is too thin and runny, it may be adulterated with water. Contaminated water is major reason behind waterborne disease such typhoid, jaundice and diarrhea. Avoid brightly colored loose Amras as it can contain synthetic food color. If there is a slight bitter aftertaste after eating the Amras, it may contain artificial sweeteners. Look for zero added sugar variety if available to control your sugar intake. You can always add sugar at home. Amras should preferably be made at home so that you can ensure purity, control added sugar and avoid artificial color and flavor. Editorial team: Chairman CERC and Torch Praful Amin, Chairman CERS Walter Vieira, CEO and Executive Editors Uday Mawani, Associate Editors Anusha Iyer, Rashmi Goyal. Editorial Assistant Meena Bathwi. Address Consumer Education and Research Center 802 Grahak Suvidha Kendra Sakar 2 next to Ellis Bridge Police Station Ashram Road Ahmedabad 380006. Phone number 079 3533 7262. Email address complaints@cercindia.org. Helpline number 1800-233-0222. ध्वनि मुद्रण शांता मेहता डिजिटल टॉकिंग बुक लाइब्रेरी अंजन मंडल वस्त्रापुर अहमदाबाद 380015. वॉइस ओवर बाय आनल दवे.